Why did you let him kill me?
Hello my friends. Today I want to talk to you about using the Nokia flip phone to record Ghostbox sessions. Now, when used in conjunction with the S-Box, this adds a little something extra, especially with my spirit guide Barlow. Barlow can come through and talk quite plainly using the recorder on this when used in conjunction with the S-Box. So for a demonstration, I'm going to play the S-Box on its own and we'll see what communication, if any, we get, and then I'll start recording to show you the benefits of using the Nokia flip phone. Hello, hello. My name is Paul. I come in peace and light. Could you tell me who's here today, please? Would you mind telling me who you are? Do I have any spirit guides here today? Now my friends, when you hear the crackle noises, like that then, that can be used to speak onto the Nokia recorder, the Nokia flip phone, as I will demonstrate shortly. How many people are here today, please? Did you hear that? The crackle noise? That will be a voice, and that will be Barlow.
9. Email.
If you can hear me, Barlow, I will turn on the Nokia recorder and you'll be able to talk to the people.
And reset.
Hello, hello. Who am I connected with, please? Could you tell me your name, please, friend?
Into water.
Allow you both.
Okay. That's just the S-Box on its own. Now I will record using the Nokia, and I will show you the outcome at the end. Follow my spirit guide. Are you here, please? The Nokia only records in 1 minute segments, I'm trying to say.
Might not look.
Barlow, could you say hello to the people, please? Could you tell me how many people are here? And then we start the Nokia for 1 more minute. And I find this works quite well with any ghost box, but mainly the S-Box. So really you're getting the best of both worlds. Do I have any other guides here today, please? You have a message. No, nothing. Thank you for your assistance and your help. We'll go back over the video now. Right, that's the S-Box. Now, I'm gonna go to the recording list. There's 3 1-minute files on here. I'm now going to play the first one for you.
Follow my spirituality. Yes. Nokia only records 1 minute segments. Might not. Hello, can you say hello to the people, please?
I can hear voices already from the Nokia. Can you see what I mean about the extra voices?
Can you tell me how many people are here? Then we start the Nokia for 1 more minute. I find this works quite well with any ghost box, but mainly the S-Box. really you're getting the best of both worlds. Do I have any other cards here today, please?
And the final one.
You have a message. No, nothing. Thank you for your assistance and your help. We'll go back over the video now.
Well, the Nokia flip phone, I think it spoke for itself, and the recording I got there, I could hear the voices before I've even downloaded the video. So this is a remarkable recorder, but I have tried it on its own and I get the odd EVP, but when used with the S-Box, for me, as you heard, my guy Barlow comes through as clear as day, and that is his go-to ghost box, so he tells me. So my friends, the Nokia flip phone, have a go. I think it's brilliant, and I don't think you'll regret it. It's a brilliant tool. Thank you for watching.